Time for a French toast omelet. Slices of French stick in an eggy mixture of ham and cheese and peppers. Start by slicing a French baguette. And cut the slices in half to be bite-sized. Some red and yellow bell peppers, cut into small pieces. I'm not a fan of green peppers, but if they work for you, by all means. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Half a red onion. I like the taste of red onion in omelet. Cut that into small pieces. Add a piece of cooked back bacon. Cooked ham will do great. You guessed it, small pieces. Bacon, about 1/3 of a pound. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Some shredded cheese, 1/4 cup of milk, pepper to taste, 3 eggs. Let's crack the eggs. Mix them. Add the milk. Add some ground black pepper. Let's heat the frying pan, add the bacon, and fry for a minute or so. Add the chopped onion. Add the chopped pepper. And fry that for a minute. Add the pieces of bread and get these to the bottom of the mixture so they are right against the pan and get toasted. Add the shredded cheese. Add the back bacon or ham. Let fry for a minute. And add the egg. Spread the egg around so all of the bread is covered. Fry for another minute. Flip the omelet over on a plate. and fry the other side for half a minute. Serve and enjoy.